Hey guys, so here is a video that we're going to be looking at, and this video is going to be done so we can think about how to evaluate expressions with variables using order of operation. Okay, so what this means is the very first thing we want to go back to is when we learned order of operation, because this is what we're going to need in order to be successful with today's lesson. So just as a review, these are the order of operation. First, you start with parentheses, then exponents, multiplication or division, whichever comes first, and then addition and subtraction, whichever comes first. Okay, so remember we spoke about it as PEMDAS, but we don't read it that way. You have to think about it as multiplication and division as one step, and you think about it whichever comes first. Okay, so left to right. Now, let's take a look at this expression, and we're going to use order of operation to help us solve for this. So what's written in blue is the expression. It says 4 times, and in parentheses, 21 minus 3h, parentheses. And now it says 4h equals 5. What that means is that we are going to substitute 5 for the variable h. So wherever we see h, the variable h in our expression, we can substitute that 5 in here, just like that. So I'm going to rewrite this expression with the number 5 in place of the variable. So 4 times 21 minus 3 times 5. So all I did was substitute it. So now what I want to do is I see two operations. There's multiplication and there's subtraction happening here. There's also a parentheses. So I need to figure out which one I'm going to do first. How do I start attacking this problem? So the first thing I want to do is we need to solve for what's going on here. 3 times h, we want to solve for this variable and make it one number. So I'm going to do that. 4 times 21 minus, well, what's 3 times 5? That's 15. That clears that up. Now let's go back for our order of operation. So according to the order of operation, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. All right, great. So the first thing I see here is parentheses. I want to do what's in the parentheses first, not multiplication, not subtraction, parentheses. So that means that I'm going to write it over 4 times, and I'm going to do what's in the parentheses. 21 minus 15 gives me 6. Great. So now I have just the operation of multiplication left. I'm going to do that. 4 times 6 is 24. And I have solved or evaluated this expression. My answer is 24. Okay, let's try one more. So here I have the expression 3x plus 4y divided by 2, okay? And then it has 4x equals 7 and y equals 10. So the first thing you want to do is step 1. Plug in your values, plug in values for your variables. Okay, that's step 1. Okay, great. So I'm going to rewrite this plugging in x for 7 and y for 10. So that looks like 3 times 7 plus 4 times 10 divided by 2. Great. Now my step 2, what you want to do is you want to solve for what this variable was. So this term, 3x and 4y, you want to solve those terms. Solve terms. Okay, so 3 times 7 is 21, plus 4 times 10, which is 40, divided by 2. Great. And step 3 would be follow order of operations to solve or evaluate. The word evaluate means to solve. Okay, great. So I have my operation addition, and then I have the operation division. Which one should I do first? Is it going to be addition or division? Well, according to our order of operation, I'm going to do division before I do addition. So that means I have to first solve 40 divided by 2. So 40 divided by 2 is 20. And I'm going to bring the rest down, 21. So I'm left with 21 plus 20, and my answer is 41. I have evaluated this expression and come up with the answer 41. And again, here are the steps. I'm just going to quickly review it. Plug in your values for your variables. Solve for the terms, and remember your terms are what's getting separated by your addition or subtraction signs. So you're going to solve for your terms. And then you're going to follow your order of operations to solve or evaluate. So I hope this was helpful. Try out today's lesson using these steps. There is a chart posted as well with the order of operations, okay, which is this. And if you have any questions, please feel free to send a message to Mr. Weintraub or myself. All right, guys, have a great day.